So next up we have the addition where we are carrying the tens. So first thing we do, partition the 15, 5 ones and 1 10. Then we put the 8 down here because we've got 8 ones. So remember we make 10 from this and add the rest. So we've got 5, 5 and 5 makes 10. I've got 3 left over. I've got 1, 2 10s, 2 10s and 3 1s, 23. 17 and 26. Start with the biggest number first. So we've got 26. So we've got 6 1s, 2 10s. Add in 17, so we've got 7 1s, 1 10. Remember we are making 10, so we've got 6. 6 add 4 makes 10. So then we've got 3 left over. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 10s and 3 1s. 17 and 26, 43.